Welcome to our comprehensive Figma tutorial series. Figma is an incredibly powerful and versatile design tool that has transformed the way designers and developers work. In this first video, we will take you through a complete Figma walkthrough where you will learn how to navigate the interface and what tools and features you can find in Figma. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of Figma's capabilities. So grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's get started. We'll begin at the home screen. This screen provides access to all your teams, projects, and options, such as searching for files and viewing recent files. You can create a design file, a FigJam file, or import a file. Let's open a new design file. This is where you'll spend most of your time in Figma. We'll start with a simple task, changing the name of our file. On the left side of the navigation bar, we have the main menu, which houses many options and functionalities. Figma's main menu is a centralized hub for accessing various tools and functions essential to your design workflow. As a beginner, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with each section to maximize your efficiency and create professional design. The File section houses options for managing your design files, such as saving a local copy, importing, exporting, and viewing version history. This section is crucial for ensuring that your work is properly stored and organized. The Edit section contains fundamental features like undo, redo, cut, copy, and paste, which are integral to your everyday design process. It also includes useful functions like paste to replace and duplicate, which can save time when making repetitive changes. The View section focuses on customizing your workspace and managing your on-screen display. It includes options for zooming in and out, toggling rulers and grids, and entering presentation mode. Understanding these functions can help you create a more comfortable and efficient workspace. In the Objects section, you'll find tools for grouping and organizing elements within your design. Functions like group selection, frame selection, and adding auto layout are essential for managing multiple objects and maintaining a clean, organized design. The Text section contains options for formatting and adjusting text elements such as font, size, style, and alignment. It also includes spell check settings, which are important for maintaining the quality and accuracy of your written content. The Arrange section provides tools for aligning, distributing, and layering objects within your design. These functions are vital for ensuring a polished, professional appearance and maintaining consistency across your projects. The Vector section is dedicated to managing and editing vector objects, allowing you to create and adjust shapes with precision. The next section introduces you to third-party tools and extensions created by the Figma community. These tools can enhance Figma's functionality, automate tasks, or streamline various design processes, ultimately improving your productivity and expanding your creative capabilities. Finally, the Preferences section lets you personalize your Figma experience by adjusting settings such as the nudge amount and theme. Customizing these settings to your unique needs can help optimize your design workflow and make your time spent in Figma more enjoyable. Aside from the main menu, Figma's top navigation bar contains a variety of tools essential for creating and editing designs. The Move tool allows you to select, move, and resize objects within your design. It's the most basic yet crucial tool for manipulating elements on the canvas. The Frame tool is used to create containers, called frames, that hold your design elements. Sections are used to organize your canvas with labeled sections to group related ideas and guide collaborators through your file. The Slice tool enables you to define exportable areas within your design. The Shape tools include rectangle, line, arrow, ellipse, polygon, and star. These tools allow you to create basic geometric shapes that serve as the foundation for more complex designs. The Pen tool is used to create custom vector paths and shapes. With this tool, you can draw free-form lines, curves, and closed shapes. The Pencil tool allows you to draw freehand lines and shapes directly on the canvas. It's ideal for quick sketches and rough designs. The Text tool is used to add and edit text within your design. Under the Resources, you can find things like components and Figma widgets, which are very useful. The Hand tool allows you to navigate your design canvas by clicking and dragging. Finally, the Comment tool enables you to add comments and annotations to your design. Figma's top navigation on the right side contains various features and tools focused on collaboration, sharing, and presentation. The Huddle feature enables real-time audio collaboration with your team members directly within Figma. By joining a huddle, you can discuss ideas, provide feedback, and collaborate on designs more effectively. Here you can find the avatars of people currently accessing the file. It indicates who is actively collaborating on the design, and you can see their cursors and changes in real time as they work. The Share button provides options for inviting collaborators, generating shareable links, and setting access permissions for your design file. You can use this feature to control who can view or edit your project, ensuring secure and efficient collaboration. The Prototype button allows you to preview your designs as an interactive prototype. It simulates user interactions, like button clicks or screen transitions, providing you with a functional demo of your design before finalizing and sharing it with stakeholders. Lastly, we have the zoom control that allows you to quickly adjust the magnification level of your design canvas. Figma's right-hand side menu consists of 3 main tabs, each with a specific purpose to assist you in different stages of your design process. The Design tab is where you'll spend most of your time while creating and editing your design elements. It contains a variety of tools and options for styling that will appear once you select an object. For now, we have an option to change the background color of the canvas. The Prototype tab is focused on creating interactive prototypes for your designs. The Inspect tab is primarily aimed at developers or team members who need to extract design specifications, assets, and code snippets from your design. We are at the end. In the next lesson, we will dive deeper into the practical application of these tools. So stay tuned and prepare to expand your design skills with Figma.